Hey guys, Hayman Wangi here, and today we are gonna unbox and test out Nateskin. So, if you guys are tahu, Nateskin, it is a grooming product for men. Their whole marketing is that they don't cut your balls. So I got the premium bundle. The premium bundle comes with all of the devices, yang baru, the nose trimmer, the face shaver, and the balls trimmer. Original price there is about 800 ringgit, but I got during the Raya sale, which is about 20% off, from 800 ringgit and dapat 640 ringgit. So what do we get? We got the travel pouch, the nose hair trimmer, the face shaver 2.0, and the creme de la creme, the bush trimmer 3.0. Also, we got the replacement blades, so we're just gonna check it out. So let's unbox it. After I ordered, I got this email. Hi, hey, things were quiet at Nateskin HQ today until we got on computers and ping. Could it be it's a new order? The manager, Harry Cox. Harry Cox. Harry Cox. You had my curiosity. Now you have my attention. Even Big Richard, our best packer, who is absolutely packing, lots of dong jokes, broke out in a three-legged dance of some sort. Thank you so much. Once the festivities are over, we'll be working hard to get your order to you ASAP. Working hard. Warmest regards, Jared and Rebecca, co-founders of Nateskin. Manager, Harry Cox. Orang yang pack dia nama Big Richard.
What is another word for Richard?
Nama co-founder Jared and Rebecca. Macam tak ngam sangat. Let's unbox the travel pouch. Okay, travel pouch dia is pretty basic. It just says Nateskin kat depan. Other than that, there's no like custom apa-apa. Whether you're on a trip, getaway, business trip, the real MVP, most valuable pouch, keeping your personal, that's pretty okay. And it's pretty big. We'll try to fit everything in here. Let's try. We're gonna start small, then besar. The nose hair trimmer. Comes with a USB Type-C and a cleaning brush. Where's my knife? Follow Nateskin, nateskin.com. All about the nose drills. Ah! And these guys are really punny.
Did you know diarrhea is hereditary?
What?
Yeah. It runs in your genes.
Oh. Nose hair. Okay. Basically, everything is like really smooth, really sleek. And I don't know if they've charged this. Oh, okay. They've come fully charged. Got the USB Type-C and the cleaning brush. So the guy check up for this one, it's not waterproof. Everything else is waterproof, except the nose trimmer. So if you guys not wash it and you just take the brush and just buka ni, just twist and then just brush it. But let's test it out. Let's see my nose hairs, and we're just gonna test it out. Okay. The guy said always clean your nose first before you use this. So my nose is clean. Okay, you guys can hear it. Okay. I would say the nose trimmer works and it's pretty good. Alright, the face shaver. Dual action NateSafe blades, LED battery indicator, waterproof, portable and practical. Also comes with a USB-C and a cleaning brush. Okay, this thing is still sealed, still new. Time to face the day. These guys are funny, man. Ooh, okay. Looks pretty nice. The Nateskin Face Shaver 2.0. I never got the 1.0. So Muni is like my first time opening Nateskin. So they said when you're shaving, right, you don't have to use any shaving cream. If you use like shaving cream apa kan, it's gonna be stuck in the device and then it's like susah nak basuh. It's hard to clean. Everything comes charged though. That's cool. Alright. So I let my beard grow out a bit. I got some mustaches here. Okay, let's test it out. The salesperson pun cakap there's also like a safety feature if you hold this for like 5 seconds ke apa. Right. And then it won't like automatically on. So yeah. There's like the safety feature, so if you want to unlock the safety feature, just press it again for like 5 seconds. Yeah, then it's gonna on. Then back to normal again. Okay, so they say like this one is to like clean shave this side, and then this side is for like to trim it a bit. But it's very annoying. I'm just gonna try it. Okay, let's go. Did I shave anything? I don't know. Oh man, I'm missing. I'm messing up. I mean, it shaves. Okay, how about something? Let's just shave my mustache. Oh, this is right. It's good. I mean, I gotta look in the mirror. I'm just looking in the camera, but yeah, it shaves well. They say that you can shave this like dry shave or when you're wet, but this thing is waterproof, so you can just like shave it in the shower. Face shaver is really good. Bush Trimmer 3.0. Interchangeable trim and foil heads, so you can change the head. So let's open it. So this thing is like their punya best selling product, their core business. So let's test it out. It comes with the Bush Trimmer, the heads, the charging dock, USB-C, and the cleaning brush, just like the rest. But this one has like the charging dock, so it's cool. The face shaver doesn't come with a charging dock. Like normal, the future of smoother balls. It's not as punny macam tadi, but it's pretty okay. This balls are smooth as eggs.
Oh my god, those balls are as smooth as eggs.
Tips: take a warm shower to soften your skin, open your pores. Use the NateSafe trimmer blade to adjustable guide to trim longer hairs. Switch to Nateskin foil blade for smoother finish. Pull your skin. These are the tips that they give. So this is the Bush Trimmer 3.0. The guy said if you want to shave it, you always use this side, like the flat side, to shave it correctly. If you use this side, they don't recommend, but since you're shaving like your private area, yeah, I'm gonna listen to that, man. You have to listen to the tips if you're using this. So always use this side, never like go on this side. Ceramic protector, so it's like a clean shave. And they also have like a power left. Oh, so if you click it twice, there's like a light comes out. That's cool. Okay, I think test Bernie because I don't want to show you my balls. No, but I will trust that this works. So this is the head changer. This for like the smooth finishing. They say that you can also use these sides to cut the edges, and the top side is to like smoothen. So when you're shaving, you just like you gotta do it vertically. This is the charging dock. Oh, fits well. It's pretty nice. So to change the base, you just gotta. Wow, it really just snaps off. Oh, okay. That's why you gotta use your heads to like catch the thing. Alright, so semua orang nampak tadi. You gotta be careful. Let's try that again. If you want to attach it, you just have to align it at the back here. Align it, then push it in. Push it in. Okay, it's pretty easy. Okay, let's test it out again. Oh yeah, catch it. Let's try to put this on. Oh my god! Push down.
1 minute later.
Oh, okay. It's pretty easy. Okay, you just gotta be confident. Clean finishing. Actually, this one you can use like anywhere in your body. So, but I don't want to shave any of my arm hair. So yeah, I think I will fully try this. So if you want like the clean finish, this is like the smoothest part. You just gotta, yeah, you gotta do it like this. But you can do it like this to get like a shorter trim. They say you put it like this is like the smooth one. And this, I asked them, wait, benda ni selamat tak kalau nak guna? And then they said yes. So I trust them. If I end up in the hospital sebab guna benda ni, I want my refund. But their whole business is that these things are safe to use everywhere. I would say the finishing is like really nice. The device ni semua rasa sedap, cantik. And it's like one and done grooming for all men. Okay, so let's take it out again with this one here. Okay, you just gotta pop it off. Aku pun takut tadi. Okay, just ni, then push down. Okay. Alamak, what the hell did I do it? Okay, dah masuk. Just, push down. Yeah, okay, just masuk and push down je. Jangan takut. Okay, so I wanna change it. Okay, let's change it. Okay, just push up. Tukar dengan ni. So make sure the back tu masuk. Then back masuk, then push down. So easy. Okay, let's try again. Okay, dah pro. Alright, push back. Back dah masuk, push. Okay, back dah masuk, push down. Oh, yang push down tu ya, takut. Okay, it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna test it out if it's waterproof ke tak. But I think everything works very well. Let's see if the travel pouch can fit in everything. We got the Nateskin travel pouch. Let's put in the trimmer, face trimmer, the nose trimmer, the docking station. I don't know, masukkan je apa-apa. Ah, fits. Well, that's pretty cool. So So dia simpan semua dalam ni. It's like oh, I need to shave. Haha! Semua ada. Sini bush trimmer ada, face shaver ada, nose trimmer semua ada. And what's cool is like they have like their own pouches. So I think it's like they've designed it for that. So that's cool. Okay, so Nateskin currently priced at 800 ringgit, but I got it at 20% discount during that Raya sale, so I got it for 640 ringgit. And I also got the 24 months warranty for like the 24 months warranty pun dapat discount 20% off. So bayar like around 15-16 ringgit. It's a pretty good deal. This is like my one and done for men's grooming, shaver, trimmer and everything. So if you guys are interested, please check the link below. Kalau boleh, please click the link and then beli, and I get some commission from Nateskin juga. Also, we give you any updates on how I shave. Also, I think this is like a Malaysian product, so support local. I really like the product, dia punya design, aesthetic dia, the feeling. And if you guys have used Nateskin before, please comment below on what you guys think. If you guys use the older versions, the 1.0, 2.0, and also tell me the difference between the 1.0 and 2.0, because this like the first time that I bought. I hope when I buy this and diorang tak keluar 4.0, 3.0 paling yang baru. So hopefully I can use this long, so I don't have to buy like a new one. So okay, that's about it from your boy. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and peace. I'm not showing you my balls.